Okay, so we're jumping right into it because Ethereum is jumping today, up 7.5%, and it's outpacing Bitcoin here again. And this is exactly what happened when we went from 1,700 up to 3,000. I think we're getting ready for the next big push for ETH. And let's take a look at the flippening index real quick. So the active address is flippening, 59% there. You can see we're moving up here. Nicely. Transaction count flippening. Ethereum has already flipped Bitcoin in this metric. Transactions volume flippening, same thing, 100% filled. Trading volume at 59% like active addresses. Total transaction fees already there. Node count flippening, 50%. Still a lot of work to do. Fell off here for a while, and we're going to work our way back up there with the node counting. Google search still down, but it can get up to 61% is where it was at its highest. I think once Ethereum gets on this major bull run, we're going to see this metric slowly shift in ETH's favor here. So very interesting to watch here because let's take a look at Ethereum right now, up 7.32%. We're at 3,418. And you can see, look what's happening here in the past day. Big step up, consolidate, big step up. If we take a look at the 7-day, we were consolidating for a long time here. Trading volume is up 87%. Look at that. We're breaking through that $3,321 barrier, which we couldn't cross here for the past week. We're crossing it right now. We're blowing past it. Okay, look what's going on here in the past month. Here was all that consolidation. We couldn't get past these pesky levels, this 3,350, right in here, right? Now we're through it. And now the floodgates could potentially open for ETH. Let's take a look at trading view here. Look at that. Two big green candlesticks. Look at the volume coming in. That's what to pay attention to. The volume coming in here is massive for Ethereum. So let's take a look at the technicals. They're going to show some interesting signs as well. Strong buy here. Look at this. Moving averages. This is the 1 day, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Goes to a buy. 5 goes to a buy. 1 still a buy. This is big. Look at this. The only thing showing a sell on the moving averages is the 20-day. MACD and momentum showing a sell on the oscillator side, but I like looking at these moving averages, especially when we're talking about the large caps like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Wow, this could be big. And we take a look at the overall market here real quick. Let's go back over to the full list, and we'll see some things here. I'm going to go to an article just a minute here on Ethereum. There you go, 7.32%, along with Cardano's up. Everything else kind of slightly up, slightly down. Solana making another big push, about to flip Dogecoin in market cap. Very, very close. I think that's going to happen at some point today. If Doge doesn't surge here, it is up a little bit. Terra Luna's coming up. Here comes Uniswap and Polkadot. The market is shifting in the bulls' favor a little bit right now, and I'm loving what I'm seeing. Bitcoin, kind of stagnant, but you know that can change on a dime. I love that Ethereum is running by itself. A lot of institutional money coming into ETH. Everything is aligning perfectly with EIP 1559, with the amount that's staked. This is going to be massive for Ethereum. 2022, I believe, is going to be the big year for ETH. I still think we're going to see a run-up here in 2021. Now, come on over to the Patreon and join us for $10 a month. You can get into our Discord. $20 per month, you can get access to buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts. I will help you with your portfolio. I love helping people. That's why I do what I do. That's why I'm also a professor. Been teaching for almost 10 years now. So I love it, and I have a ton of fun doing it. So I'm here to help. Link is down in the description. Tomorrow's the first of the month. Great opportunity for you to jump in and join our private community. I do not believe you'll be disappointed, and I think you'll have a lot of great conversations with all of our insiders over at the Patreon. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, let's take a look at that real quick. It's at 73. That's where it was yesterday. Extreme Greed 79, that was last week. Now let's take a look at this article. So, valid points. Ethereum emerges from Bitcoin's shadow. Ethereum is finally Ether catching up to the surpassing Bitcoin across a number of key metrics. So, pulse check. The following is an overview of the network activity on the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain over the past week. Look at this. Network participation rate, boom. Number of validators, way up. Okay, look at the pending number of validators. Total ETH deposited, look at that. Share of total ETH supply deposited, 6.1%. New frontiers, Ethereum is coming of age. Okay, biggest headline news about Bitcoin were the pending decisions by the U.S. Securities and Exchange. Okay, however, for Ethereum, they've attracted a lot of retail users and scammers looking to make a quick buck. It seemed the majority of investors and traders serious about adopting cryptocurrencies for mass adoption were focused on Bitcoin. This is how it was, right? However, trends are changing, and evidence is mounting to suggest that Ethereum has finally either caught up to or surpassed Bitcoin across a number of key metrics, even as other smart contract blockchains such as Cardano and Solana show promising signs of real adoption and value. Ethereum is still at the top of the mountain. Every month since June 20th, users have been paying more in fees and send transactions on Ethereum than Bitcoin. In 2021 alone, total fees in dollar terms on Ethereum were found to be 4 times higher than Bitcoin, suggesting demand for block space on Ethereum is outpacing demand for block space on Bitcoin. The demand is higher than ever. We know supply and demand, and supply is being burnt. What does that tell us? Supply is going down, demand's going up. This price is going to skyrocket. I'm telling you. Usually I'm not that out in front, but it's going to skyrocket. When? I don't have a crystal ball. But everything is aligning. I'm telling you, this is the last chance to get into Ethereum, I think. I think it's the last opportunity to get into Ethereum. You kind of missed the boat a little bit if you weren't buying dips at 1,700, 2,100. That's okay. But if you hold this for the long term, you're still going to see big gains. Excuse me. All right, so take a look at a few other things here. Key competitors to Ethereum: Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, and Solana are just a few of the platforms that have made headlines this year. Okay, we know what Solana is doing. However, they're still not even close. They've got a lot of room to go and grow to catch up to all of the activity happening on the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so keep that in mind as you're looking at Solana and Cardano. I know they're the hottest things going right now. And listen, I own Cardano. It's my number 2 holding. I love it. But Ethereum is still atop the mountain. And I still believe it's going to run much, much higher this year. And I think 2022 is going to be the blow the roof off year. Right? CoinDesk just talked about it in a recent tweet. For starters, $185 billion worth of ETH has been moved on Ethereum in August, while only $180 billion of BTC has exchanged hands on Bitcoin. Ethereum is surpassing Bitcoin across a number of key metrics. It's only a matter of time until Ethereum flips Bitcoin in market capitalization. Ethereum 2.0 rolls out, and we are off to the races. Catch you in the next video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section too. Peace.